Did you know that 90% of the world's millionaires have gained their wealth through real estate? In this video, we're unveiling the real estate secrets the wealthy don't want you to know. Get ready to discover the hidden strategies that can propel you towards financial success in the world of real estate. Number 6. Leverage is power. Leverage is like using a magnifying glass to make things bigger. But how do the wealthy use it in real estate? Well, they use leverage to make their investments bigger and more profitable. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to buy a property worth $100,000. Instead of paying the full amount up front, you might only need to put down a fraction of it, say $20,000, and borrow the rest from a bank or a lender. This way, you're leveraging other people's money to make a bigger investment than you could on your own. Now, let's talk about credit. Credit is like your financial reputation. It shows how trustworthy you are when it comes to borrowing money. In real estate, having good credit is crucial because it allows you to access loans with lower interest rates and better terms. This means you can borrow money more affordably, which can significantly increase your buying power in the real estate market. But how do you use credit wisely in real estate? First, make sure to maintain a good credit score by paying your bills on time and keeping your debt levels low. This shows lenders that you're responsible with your finances and makes them more likely to lend you money at favorable terms. Second, shop around for the best loan options and compare interest rates and fees from different lenders. Don't just settle for the first offer you receive. Do your research and negotiate for the best possible terms. By leveraging other people's money and using credit wisely, you can supercharge your real estate investments and pave the way towards financial success. Number 5. Location. Ever heard the phrase location? Location, location. It's a big deal in real estate. The wealthy know this secret well. They choose properties in prime locations that are almost guaranteed to increase in value over time. But how do they do it? Well, they do their homework. They research and identify hotspots where the demand for real estate is high and likely to keep growing. So, what makes a location prime? It could be factors like proximity to amenities like schools, shopping centers, and transportation hubs. It could also be in neighborhoods with low crime rates and good schools, which tend to attract more buyers and renters. The elite look for areas that are undergoing development or revitalization, as these are often poised for rapid appreciation. But how can you find these hotspots? Start by studying market trends and economic indicators. Look for cities or neighborhoods with strong job growth, population growth, and rising incomes. Pay attention to infrastructure projects and urban planning initiatives that could boost property values. And don't forget to explore emerging neighborhoods that might be flying under the radar but have potential for future growth. By knowing how the elite choose prime locations and sharing insights on researching and identifying these hotspots, you too can make smart real estate investments that pay off in the long run. Remember, when it comes to real estate, location truly is everything. Number 4. The art of negotiation. Negotiation is like a game of chess. It's all about strategy and skill. And when it comes to real estate, the wealthy are masters at negotiating the best deals. They know how to uncover negotiation strategies that give them the upper hand. One key strategy they use is doing their research. They gather information about the property, the seller's motivation, and market conditions to understand the bargaining power they have. But negotiation isn't just about numbers. It's also about building rapport and trust. The wealthy know that establishing a good relationship with the seller can go a long way in getting what they want. They take the time to listen and understand the seller's needs and concerns, which helps them tailor their offers in a way that benefits both parties. Another tip for successful negotiation is being flexible and creative with terms. Instead of just focusing on the price, the wealthy look for ways to sweeten the deal for the seller. This could mean offering a quick closing, covering some of the seller's closing costs, or agreeing to certain contingencies that give the seller peace of mind. By mastering the art of negotiation and employing these strategies, you too can increase your chances of getting the best deals in real estate. Remember to do your homework. build rapport with the seller, and be flexible with your terms. With practice and patience, you'll become a savvy negotiator who can secure profitable real estate investments. Number 3. Building a top-notch team. Behind every successful real estate investor is a top-notch team. This team consists of various professionals who play crucial roles in ensuring smooth and profitable transactions. One key member of this team is the real estate agent. A skilled agent can help you find the best properties, negotiate deals, and navigate the complexities of the market. They are your eyes and ears in the field, keeping you informed about new opportunities and potential pitfalls. Another essential member of your team is a good lawyer. A lawyer can help you review contracts, handle legal paperwork, and ensure that your transactions comply with local laws and regulations. They provide valuable legal guidance and protection, helping you avoid costly mistakes and disputes. Lastly, don't forget about your accountant. An accountant can help you manage your finances, optimize your tax strategy, and maximize your profits. They can advise you on how to structure your investments for maximum tax efficiency and help you plan for the long term. So, how do you assemble and manage a top-notch team for successful real estate investing? Start by carefully vetting potential team members. Look for professionals with experience and expertise in real estate and who have a track record of success. Once you've assembled your team, communicate openly and regularly with them. Keep them informed about your goals, preferences, and concerns, and solicit their input and advice when needed. By building a strong and cohesive team, you'll have the support and expertise you need to thrive in the competitive world of real estate investing. Number 2. Diversification within real estate. Diversification is like having a safety net for your investments. It's all about spreading your money across different types of assets to reduce risk and increase potential returns. And when it comes to real estate, diversification is key to protecting and growing your wealth. So how does it work? Well, instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you can invest in a variety of real estate assets, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for growth. For example, you could invest in residential properties like single-family homes or multifamily apartments, which provide steady rental income and long-term appreciation potential. Or you could venture into commercial real estate, such as office buildings, retail centers, or industrial warehouses, which offer higher returns but also come with higher risks. Another option is to explore alternative real estate investments like real estate investment trusts, REITs, crowdfunding platforms, or real estate partnerships. These vehicles allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning or managing properties, providing diversification and liquidity. By diversifying within real estate, you can hedge against market fluctuations and mitigate the impact of economic downturns. For example, if the residential market is experiencing a downturn, your commercial properties or alternative investments may continue to perform well, helping to offset any losses. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, consider diversifying your real estate portfolio to protect and grow your wealth over the long term. Remember, the key is to spread your investments across different types of properties and investment vehicles to minimize risk and maximize returns. Number 1. Patience and persistence. Real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game that requires patience and persistence. The wealthy understand that building wealth through real estate takes time, dedication, and a steadfast commitment to their investment goals. They're willing to weather the inevitable ups and downs of the market, knowing that their investments will ultimately pay off in the long run. It's about having a long-term mindset and staying focused on the bigger picture, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. In the fast-paced world we live in, it can be tempting to chase after quick profits or jump on the latest investment fads. But the truly successful real estate investors know that sustainable wealth is built slowly and steadily over time. They're willing to put in the hard work, do their due diligence, and make smart, informed decisions, even if it means waiting patiently for the right opportunity to come along. So, if you're looking to succeed in real estate investing, Remember to be patient and persistent. Set realistic goals, stick to your investment strategy, and don't be discouraged by short-term setbacks. With time, dedication, and a steadfast commitment to your goals, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom through real estate. There you have it, the hidden gems of real estate investing. Now it's your turn to take action. Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your real estate game.